We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI features effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI website. You'll need to log in with your account details, so enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll find the main dashboard with a variety of features available. If you're looking to start a new project, click on the New Project button at the top. You can name your project and choose the type based on your needs, such as text generation or data analysis. Next, you'll see a workspace where you can input your data or text prompts. If you want to use Claude's text generation feature, simply type your prompt into the input box and click on Generate. Claude AI will then process your input and provide a detailed response. For those interested in data analysis, upload your dataset using the Upload Data button and select the type of analysis you want to perform. Claude will help you visualize and interpret your data with interactive graphs and insights. You can also access the settings to customize your experience by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you can adjust preferences such as language and notification settings to suit your workflow. Remember, if at any point you need assistance, there's a help section with guides and FAQs available directly on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.